Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Trade Mania. So today I'm going to discuss. Please do subscribe our channel, like our videos. So all the things related to trading you will get in this channel. Please subscribe and notify to your friends. Okay, let us pattern star. So the morning star pattern is considered as bullish reversal pattern. If often occurs at the bottom of a downtrend and it consists of three a downward momentum, downward trend. So usually it will occur in the downtrend. Downtrend means the price of the stock is coming down. So initially the first candle is bearish, which indicates that the sellers are in control. The sellers are in control of the market. And next one small candle it will come. The second candle is a small one, which represents the sellers are in control, but they don't push the market much lower, and this candle can be bullish or bearish. So next candle will be small candle it will come. So you can think it is a whether it is bullish or bearish, anything is fine. This candle may be bullish or bearish, but small candle it should be there. Okay, compared to this downtrend, these candles are very big candles. And here, who are the in charge of the market? The sellers are controlling the market. Here the sellers are controlling the market, and slowly the sellers gave up. Okay, so here the small candle represent still sellers are in control, but they are losing their momentum. So momentum means nothing but the power from here to here, how much speed it came. So very fast momentum it came. So but when it is coming to somewhat here, some their sellers are losing some momentum. And the third candle in that is a bullish candle that gapped up the open and closed above the midpoint of the first candle. So after this, next candle should be opened gap up and it closed above the middle of the first candle. So which is the first candle here? This is the first candle. This is the first candle. So which is a bearish candle. And next one is small candle, whether it will be bearish or bullish, it is okay. And the third candle will be bullish candle, which normally it should open gap up and closed above 50% of the first candle. So above 50%, half of the first candle. So it should close above half of the first candle. Then we will enter here and we will keep our stop loss below the second candle, stop loss here, and we will write the trend. So the morning star pattern shows us how buyers took the control of the market. So here how the buyers are taking control of the market. So if you are observing means first the sellers are in control of the market. So second one, the sellers are controlling the market. So here the sellers are in control. Here the sellers are in control. And next coming to here, slowly the sellers are losing their momentum. And when sellers are losing their momentum and the buyers gain their momentum and the trend is reversed. So occurs at the bottom of downtrend. So whenever you see this pattern at the end of the downtrend, so you should interpret as a powerful uptrend is coming. As a powerful uptrend is coming. So now for this morning star pattern, some examples in the normal chart. So see here, I have taken Reliance Industries in 1 hour chart. So initially downtrend is there. So downtrend means what? The price of the stock down. So the strong downtrend, afterwards the bears are losing momentum or sellers. So sellers or bears both are okay. Sellers are slowly losing their momentum here, and here small candles came. Small candles came. So here what it is showing, here also the sellers are in charge of the market, but they are slowly losing their, and here one small candle formed, whether it is a bullish candle or bearish candle, one small candle is formed. Afterwards, market gapped up and it closed above the 50% of the first candle. Here, what is the first candle here? One time I will. This is the first candle. First candle. This is the small candle, that means second candle. And here gapped up and it closed above the 50%. So here percent of the first candle, that means if it closed here also it is okay. So see, so you will enter here, your entry will be here, your stop loss is here. See how much uptrend it went. So you can conclude that the downtrend is coming to end and new uptrend is coming. So and you have to be very alert and you have to take the decision. So if you are having any doubts in this pattern, like our video and share with your friends. So regarding more related to stock market, you will get more content day by day in this channel. So thank you for watching.